Good morning, guys. Just wanted to give you a few extra instructions to hopefully make things clear for what you need to get done this week. Really and truly, you're supposed to be just doing your final exam study guide. But some of you guys did not turn in your budget portfolio, nor did you do anything with your slides for your Google presentation. So you need to get both done. You cannot pass the project by only doing one part. So this is where you can upload your budget portfolio into this assignment. And if you look at the assignment, the portfolio is 40% of your project grade. So your slides are 60%. So if you only do the portfolio, that's a 40 on the project. And if you only do the slides, it's at most a 60. And I am checking your numbers. Okay, this is what should be in your portfolio. And I've included the example here as well. Okay, yours will be completed. This is your reality check, not mine. This is where you calculated your income. It is not these numbers right here. And the number you come up with down here, that's the number you use to start your monthly budget. Then you should have this sheet. These all have links. Everything that's not highlighted has a link that you're supposed to go in. And if you have to go in and use a link, you have to print that up because it's going to be part of your portfolio. So with your furniture, you go to the link, you pick out your furniture, you add the $1,000, you add tax, and then you use this calculator for your monthly payment. You just highlight and select these that you want. Then here in appliances, you pick out your washer and dryer. Okay, you add your tax, and then you use this calculator here to determine your monthly payment. And you print it up. Once you make your choices with the prices and the tax, you figure the tax, you print that up. Same thing up here. And then when you use the budget calculator here, and it gives you your monthly payment, you print that up. I'll show you how I put mine in the same document. So this was my link for my groceries. Now, one thing with the groceries, you have to remember the total you get down here is just that for that week. So you have to multiply it times 52. That's your yearly grocery budget. Divide by 12. This number here is what goes into your monthly budget at the end. You can see here where I picked out my furniture, the prices. That was the total. I added the $1,000 for the miscellaneous, and then I did my 7% tax. And this is what I was financing. This is where I put it into the calculator following the parameters on that page. Here is where I picked out my appliances. Again, had to add tax, put it into the calculator, and got my monthly payment. Then, this is where you would do your budget. The number goes here for you is from that time to calculate income. That's the number that you got from back here, where it's net income monthly salary. That number is what you start off your monthly budget with. And then you fill in everything, and you should not be in the negative. If you are, you will have to adjust your budget. And then you can copy and paste your comparison paragraph at the bottom here. Yes, these two things are in your Google Slides, but it also needs to be in your portfolio. So let's say you've got your portfolio done now and you've uploaded it. What else to do for the rest of the week? Final exam study guide. It is active. You can take it as many times as you want. Sending you some reminders now. And, you know, this has all the questions that I'm using as a question bank for the final exam. So there shouldn't be any issues with that. If you have any questions or concerns, guys, just hit me up and let me know. Keep me posted as to what's going on. Again, some of you, if you get this budget portfolio to me by 3:05, some of you that lost your final exam exemption may be able to gain it back. If so, I will email you that through It's Learning that you are exempt from your final exam. Those of you that turned it all in and are waiting, I have already sent you messages. I will send you an individual message if you're exempt from the final exam. If you do not receive that individual message through It's Learning, you are not exempt, and I will see you on the 12th. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.